We are live as in time, Mr. Blitztech.
Revenue GS, and welcome back to another episode of ChainSaw Man. Today we have episode 6.
Hey, what's good fam? If you enjoyed this video, check out our TCN community where you will get private Discord access to join us in chatting about all things movies and trailers, participating in our debates, and even submit your requests on which ones we watch. You also get access to our full movies, animes, and series reactions, so don't miss out. The link to join the community will be pinned comment.
This was mad.
今階段降りていったよね。ごめん。ありゃりゃ。
She's losing her shit.
なんで窓の向こうにも部屋が
What?
And he's gonna come out to them again in the corridor. Oh, behind!
やっぱりそうか。8階から出られなくなっている。
Oh, I want to see how these lot get out of this, bro. This is fudge.
Sick paradox.
It's sick because he's gone from Chensō Man to a whole team. Like, that's mad. Because, like, reading the manga, the first volume is all about Denji.
Okay.
Like, it does meet power, but that's like the last fight of that volume.
Okay.
So you don't meet none of these guys.
Not even Aki.
Oh yeah, you meet Aki,
Oh.
but like, he's in like,
the...
yeah, like he's like, oh, doesn't like him. He looks
No.
like a hater, like,
Yeah.
because he likes the boss, kind of
Yeah.
thing. You know what I mean? So, but 6 episodes in, we're winning with the team, complete missions. That's sick.
階に着く。エレベーターはなぜか使えない。部屋や窓からは外に出られない。天井を登ってみたが、上
Wow.
も8階だった。
What?
パワーがさっきの悪魔殺しちまったからじゃねえのか？閉じ込める力を使ったまま死んだんだ。その悪魔が悪い。
ルナが殺せと言ったんじゃ。
言ってね
力は悪魔が死ねば解除されるから、それはありえない。
アキ君、私たち全員ここで死んじゃうんだ。お腹ペコペコで死んじゃうんだ。
コベリちゃん、夜デビルハンターやって兄を大学に行かせたいんだろ。
半分無理やりなんです。親が許せない
Yo, she's bad.
ごべにちゃん、悪魔は恐怖が大好物だからね。怖がってたら相手の思うつ
その場合、助けは来ないかもしれません。
すげえ。じゃあ寝放題じゃならねえかもしれねえだろ。分かったら起こして。こんないいベッドがあんだ。寝なきゃ損だね。俺は
What guys fell asleep?
Someone slap him, please.
ネット。
レンジ君、レンジ君、
I can't with this guy, bro.
I mean, they ain't getting anywhere. Wow.
ごべにちゃんはおかしくなってトイレの水を
What
飲
the
み
f-
気絶させた。それで魔人ちゃんなんだけど、
パワーがどうか
This
したん
is
です
bad for sure.
わしは暇だからノーベル賞を考えておった。ノーベル賞を発明すれば人間はわし。ごべにちゃんとライ君を見張ろう。私一人じゃトイレも行かない。落ち着いててつまらんの。今アキ君が頑張ってるから私はゆっくり休んでていいの。あとニコチンのち。
それあいつと同じタバコじゃん。
そりゃあアキ君にタバコの味を判明なんだから吸っちゃえばいいのに。
俺は簡単には死なない。
そうしてね。バディが死ぬのは面倒だからさ。
like their suit, man.
What
The
is your
trainers
thing?
they wear all day. Nice.
殴ったやつの服にこっそりガムつけてやっ
そういや師匠が言って。
そりゃ嫌味か。杏仁豆腐いらないならもらうぞ。
一本あげる。
骨が腐るから吸わない。
長い付き合いになりそうだから吸ってほしいな。しょうがないな。
キスだ。ずるい。完全キスだ。
黙れ。悪いニュースがある。俺たちが殺した悪魔がいたろ。
わしが殺したやつじゃな。
そいつがどんどん大きくなってる。
確かにわしが殺したはずじゃ。ホテルから出られない。見たこともない形状。こりゃ何の悪魔だ。
いいえ、私の死体で私に食わせ、そうしたら他のデビルハンターは全員無事に外へ返す。無事に返す。契約しよう。
ジネで飲み込めば終わるんじゃない？
コン。やっぱり狐は来ませんね。ここは外と断絶されてるんだ。
狐の体は京都にあるからね。じゃあ、私のゴーストでやるか。でかくなった。
これは私の本体ではない。ここに私。
このままじゃみんなホテルで餓死ですよ。デビルハンターが悪魔と契約することは法律でも認められている。その悪魔の契約を受けるべきです。
悪魔はデンジを殺したがっている。デンジの死が悪魔側の利益になるんだろう。だから契約は受けない。
じゃあ私も。
そんな。
わしは殺す派じゃ。ノーベル賞を思いついても外に出られなければ発表できないからな。ノーベルのために死んどくれ。
魔人と悪魔は契約を結べない。だからお前がデンジを殺しても悪魔は外に出す義理はない。とにかくデンジは殺さない。悪魔の言葉を信じるなら奴を殺すことはできない。
I wonder if breaking the clocks, all the clocks will do the.
だけどこのままじゃ餓死しちゃうぞ。
どうしようもなくなったら刀を使います。
それはダメ。悪魔の仲間なんだ。スパイだったんだ。酸っぱいじゃ。
俺は悪魔の仲間なんかじゃ。
絶対スパイだ。
Why is she like this?
姫？
先輩。
What? What?
おいあんた何してんだ。
その刀を
Oi. place.
Huh?
I thought it was his arm.
Brother.
ちょんまげが死んだら飯を作る人間がいなくなるからの仕方なくやってやるわ。
忘れてねえからな。
Hey, man, forgot
ガツ
that.
三段があるのか。
クソ痛えけど余計なことすんじゃねえよ。クソが。俺は誰かに借りつくんのもううんざりなんだよ。外出れたら貸し借りなしだからな。
Let's go, baby. Oh my days! These motherfuckers, bro. Whole setup.
Yeah.
These motherfuckers, bro. Fucking hell.
Yeah, man, it'll be interesting to see what Denji finds down there. Maybe even get back out, to be honest.
I mean, even him saying like, "Yo, this thing didn't want to kill me or he's scared of me because of my chainsaws," and he wants the team to kill him. Like, that's actually quite interesting because, like, is it some sort of, I wouldn't say rule per se, because obviously other devils tried to kill Denji before, but for this one in particular, is it a thing that he drives on? Because obviously he grew when the girls started getting scared. So is it a thing where it's like, oh, gotta manipulate other people? That's how I get my kicks. Do you know what I'm saying? But
yes, I don't know. It's kind of weird because obviously, like, how does this thing know Denji? How does he know he's Chensō Man? It's just like a lot of questions, really.
True.
And like you're saying, like making him want the team to kill Denji rather than it kill Denji is like, where's that all stem from? Because obviously, anything that Denji's come across, he's killed already. So, is there word gone around amongst the demons that he's now killing other demons? Devils, sorry. So he's like, oh, I don't want to do the work. So I'm definitely gonna die. Like, it's
when Power brought Denji to the bat, did she have to bring anyone to him for him to feed?
I think so.
Something's definitely something's definitely happening in that devil world for them to start. If that's the case, to target Denji, because then that puts, after every mission, is gonna put a bigger mark on these lots.
Exactly.
Back.
Yeah.
Do you know what I'm saying?
So at first I thought it was maybe fiends versus demons or devils. Like maybe obviously, like humans don't like fiends or devils, and like, maybe it's like an all-encompassing thing where one faction doesn't like either faction. So humans don't like fiends or devils, but then don't mind fiends, and then demons don't mind fiends but don't like humans. You know what I'm saying? It's almost like a vicious circle. So yeah, it's kind of like a weird place. But then obviously, like I said, like the more you deep dive into it, it's like, how does this thing know Denji is particularly aiming at him? So it's kind of interesting still.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is that for this week's episode. Let us know your thoughts on the episode. Do you have any answers for a lot of our questions? Other than that, I'm Raven your GS.
Sam, Mr. Blitztech.
See you next week. Peace.
What happened? Nothing happened. Nothing except for the war. Too many people died in this land. All that pain forced me to grow up.
What does that mean?
That even innocent, foolish children will grow up in the face of pain.